Hello everyone, today I'm gonna roast some beans. I got this bean from Sweet Maria, monkey blend for espresso. So I set up my Aillio Bullet Pro. I'm going to continue roasting through the first crack and drop these beans before the second crack starts. I put this color meter. It'll tell us if it's a light roasting, medium roasting, or dark roasting. Okay, so I'm gonna roast to about 300 grams of this monkey blend. Let's go ahead and start roasting. Turn on the machine. Connect this machine to the computer. It's connected. Because it's a small batch roasting, I'm gonna set it to 220 Celsius for preheating. So start preheating to 220. It says heating up. As soon as it heats up, you'll see the graph is moving here. It's going to take about 10 minutes to heat up, and when temperature is ready, this Aillio Bullet will tell you it's time to roast. By the way, this Pro cooling tray is really awesome. Okay, while we are waiting, I'm gonna turn on the fan. Okay. This fan is AC Infinity. Model name is S6. This is a powerful fan. I turn on the power up to halfway, so I don't turn all the way. I think it's better to have a bigger fan. So if you need, you can increase the fan speed, but I usually use half of its maximum power. So good thing about this Aillio Bullet is it has two bean temperature reader. One is IBTS and the other one is the regular bean probe. IBTS is using infrared sensor and bean probe is like contact-based temperature reading sensor. IBTS is more sensitive, so I usually follow the IBTS sensor. So when you see this graph, the IBTS temperature stays flat around the charging temperature, making sure the whole drum is hot enough to take the beans.
Ready to roast.
Okay, did you hear that? It says ready to roast. So let's charge the beans. So right now its fan speed is 2, heating is 7. The turning point happened around 55 seconds. So temperature went down and started to go up around 55 seconds. So it's been 3 minutes, and then bean temperature is about 160. So right now I can still see green color. The drying is not over yet. So my goal is the drying period by 4 minutes. I'm going to lower the temperature and increase the fan speed. So about 4 minutes. So drying is done around 4 minutes. As you can see, it's all brown. So at this point, I'm going to lower the temperature one more time and increase the fan speed. What I want here is I want to have more than 3 minutes of Maillard period. That's why I lowered the power and increased the fan speed, because I want to delay the first crack. So my goal is about 4 minutes of drying time and 3 minutes of Maillard and 2 minutes of development time. First crack started. As soon as first crack started, I'm going to lower the power and increase the fan speed. Okay, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Let's go. Okay, the roasting is done. The beans are cooled down. Let's check the color with this color meter. Okay. Test. So it's a medium light. I wanted a medium dark, but it's a medium light. So anyways, I'm gonna rest this one in my jar here. So I'm gonna rest this one about a week, and then I'm gonna make an espresso with these beans. Thank you very much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.